Hello everyone, I am so excited. I gifted myself this vibration plate. It is by, I think, Lifepro. Um, Hold on guys. I left my address on here, hold on. Sorry. But I will be unboxing this and giving it a try. I'm excited. Give me a second, guys. I am trying to remove my address off of here. I forgot. But yes, I am super excited. Not sure if it'll be today that I'll unbox it or tomorrow, but stay tuned. I'll have a video of me giving this a try out. It is the Waver Vibration Plate by Lifepro. And this is paid for me, by me. Yeah. Something I want to try out for myself. I'm not a gym person. Not really a big workout fanatic. I am a walker. I will walk the treadmill. I will walk the neighborhood, but I'm not a gym person. I don't even like the environment of a gym. So I have this that I'm going to try, and I already have a treadmill here. It's upstairs, but I'm going to give this a try as well. I've heard some good things about the vibration plate, so I gifted this to myself. And again, I'm not sure if I'll unbox it today and make a video, but stay tuned. I will be making a video with me unboxing and also giving this a try out. Thank you guys for subscribing to my page. I think I have over 240, maybe 250 subscribers now. Thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate it. Again, stay tuned. Unboxing of my Waver Vibration Plate by Lifepro. And yeah, again, thank you guys for subscribing. I will be trying to do more content other than my updates with my tummy tuck. I love shopping. I love trying new things. So yeah, stay tuned for more content as I try to build my subscriber base and also build my channel up. Have a good day, guys.